Welcome back, viewers, to another exciting episode on this channel. Whether you're a longtime subscriber or a newcomer stumbling upon our content, we're thrilled to have you here. Prepare yourself for a captivating journey as we dive into the world of finance and business. So, whether you're here to expand your knowledge, seek inspiration, or simply enjoy a moment of entertainment, we invite you to join us on this exciting journey. Hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest uploads. And don't forget to share our videos with your friends and family, spreading the joy of learning and discovery far and wide. Let's get started.
ClickBank is an online platform that facilitates digital product sales, offering a marketplace for creators to sell their ebooks, courses, software, and other digital goods to a global audience of affiliates and customers. It operates on a commission-based model, allowing individuals to sign up as affiliates to promote products in exchange for a percentage of the sales they generate. 1. Sign up. Create an account on ClickBank as either a vendor if you have a product to sell, or an affiliate if you want to promote others' products. 2. Choose a niche. Select a niche or category you're passionate about or where you see market demand. Research products within that niche on ClickBank's marketplace. 3. Product selection. As an affiliate, pick products with high gravity, indicating popularity and good commission rates. As a vendor, ensure your product fills a need in the market and is well designed. 4. Build a platform. For affiliates, build a platform blog, YouTube channel, social media presence where you can promote your chosen products. For vendors, create a sales page for your product. 5. Create quality content. Generate valuable content related to the niche and the products you're promoting. For vendors, ensure your sales page is compelling and highlights the benefits of your product. 6. Drive traffic. Use various marketing strategies to drive traffic to your platform or sales page. This can include SEO, content marketing, social media advertising, or email marketing. 7. Capture leads if applicable. For vendors, implement ways to capture leads, such as offering a freebie or creating a mailing list to build a relationship with potential customers. 8. Promote strategically. For affiliates, strategically promote the products by integrating them into your content. For vendors, consider offering discounts or limited time offers to entice buyers and 9. Optimize and analyze. Continuously optimize your strategies by analyzing what's working and what isn't. Use ClickBank's analytics and other tools to track your performance. 10. Scale up. Once you find success with certain products or marketing methods, scale up your efforts by expanding your reach, investing more time or resources into what's working, and diversifying your offerings.
And that concludes another captivating episode on our channel. We hope you enjoyed this journey of exploration and discovery as much as we did. Before we part ways, we want to express our sincere gratitude to each and every one of you, our incredible viewers. If you haven't already, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel and become part of our ever-growing community. By doing so, you'll never miss out on the latest uploads, ensuring you're always at the forefront of knowledge and entertainment. Remember to hit the notification bell, so you're promptly notified whenever we release a new video. Feel free to also drop a like and add a comment down below. This will help us in doing our future projects. Thanks for watching.